Hi everybody. So this is a GFCI outlet, or most people just call it a GFI, and it stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. And these outlets are required in kitchens and bathrooms in the US for safety reasons. And this is a GFI outlet tester. And you could pick these up for just a couple dollars at any of your home centers. I think I bought this one at Home Depot for about $8 or $9. But basically, it's an outlet, basically a standard outlet tester. So you just take it, plug it into an outlet, and then the colored lights correspond to these different color codes, and you can tell if everything's wired correctly. So in this case, I have the two orange lights are turned on, so that means it's correctly wired. But there's one more test this does, and that's the little red button. So being that this is a GFI outlet, it needs to trip if the ground circuit is interrupted. So what happens is you press this little red button, and it basically puts power onto the ground wire. And when that happens, the GFI outlet has to trip. So in this case, it popped off and lit the little red light, which is actually really convenient. So if your GFI outlet has a red light on, you know that there's a problem. So not a big deal. All we have to do is reset it, and GFI outlets have two buttons on them. There's a test and a reset, so we're just going to press that reset button, and the outlet goes back into service, and the two yellow lights turn back on. So, pretty cool. Now you can also test a GFI outlet by just pressing the little test button, and it'll pop that red light. But a lot of your home inspectors like to use a handheld tool because it's a separate device. They can buy it in the store, and it's kind of foolproof. If they take their tester and they plug it in, they press the button, and the outlet pops, then they know the outlet's working properly. So, pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.